Can I be honest with you for a second? I want you to picture a young lad, absolutely desperate for a job. 23. Get higher. He is the only one sent home. He tries to get into the prestigious universities, the big leagues, and gets rejected 10 times in a row. By all standard metrics, that lad was a complete failure. But that lad was me. And looking back, I realized something massive. I got here because whilst everyone else was sleeping, I was thinking. Let me ask you a proper serious question, and don't just nod along, actually think about it. Do you reflect on your life every single day? Or are you just running on autopilot? You wake up, drag yourself to school, smash out some homework, scroll through videos on your phone until your eyes burn, sleep, and then hit repeat. If that is your routine, I promise you, one day life is going to catch you off guard. You have to obsess over your own growth. And I don't mean just passing exams. If you're standing still, you're being left behind. Think about a massive oak tree. It doesn't matter if it's pouring down rain, if it's snowing, or if someone chops off a branch. You need to be that tree. Your growth doesn't come from a textbook. It comes from getting your hands dirty. It comes from making mistakes that make you cringe, and then trying again. I meet so many young people who say, I want to start a business, or I want to be a top-tier artist. But the moment they have to do something scary, they freeze. They're terrified of looking stupid. But here is the brutal truth. If you are afraid of trying new things, you are afraid of growing. You might say you want to get better, but you're... So, tonight, before your head hits the pillow, ask yourself, what did I actually learn today? If the answer is nothing, then you've wasted 24 precious hours. Waste your entire future. We love a good excuse, don't we? Oh, I failed because my teacher hates me. I can't get a job because the economy is rubbish. I didn't do the work because my laptop died. Excuses, excuses, excuses. Let me let you in on a little secret. The world does not care about your excuses. Life is tough, mate. It really is. Nobody is going to pause the movie of your life and say, oh, you poor thing. Let me fix that for you. If you trip over, nobody is coming to pick you up. You have to scrape your own knees off and get back on your feet. Stop blaming the government, your parents, or your bad luck. Take ownership. Yes, life deals you a bad hand sometimes. We all get dealt rubbish cards. But the winner isn't the person with the best cards. It's the person who plays a bad hand perfectly. Complaining changes absolutely nothing. Action changes everything. Next time you catch yourself moaning, stop and think, is this helping me? The moment you zip your lip and start doing the work, your life shifts gears. Most people are petrified of failure. You cried a bit. You got back on. You wobbled. You fell again, but maybe on the 5th try, you found your balance. Life is exactly the same. You have to fail forward. Next time you mess up, don't get depressed. Smile and say, good. I learned how not to do it. Now, let's talk about money, because I know everyone dreams of being rich. But honestly, money is boring if you are a useless person. Success isn't about the numbers in your bank account. It's about the value you bring to the table. If you want to be successful, stop chasing cash and start chasing problems. Solve. Make the world slightly less difficult for the person standing next to you. When you become useful, the money follows you automatically. The more value you provide, the more success you attract. It is a simple equation. There is another massive factor that predicts your future, and it's staring you right in the face. Your mates. Show me your friends, and I will show you your future. If you hang around with 5 lazy people, you will be the 6th. If you spend your weekends with people who do nothing but moan and complain, you will become a cynic. Hardworking and positive people who challenge you to level up you will naturally rise to their level. Choose your circle wisely, because in the end, you become the average. It means nothing if you can take communicate. A lot of young lads think communication just means talking loads. No. Communication is about being understood. If you want to be a leader, or run a business, or just be respected, learn to articulate. If you have a brilliant idea but you can't explain it, that idea dies in your head. Also, don't just work hard. Working hard without thinking is a fast track to burnout. Imagine two blokes need to cut down a massive tree. The first bloke grabs a blunt axe and starts hacking away immediately, sweating buckets, getting nowhere. The second bloke sits down for 30 minutes and sharpens his axe. He plans his angle. Then, he stands up and cuts the tree down in half the time. Who won? The second bloke. Hard work is not enough. You need strategy. You need to work smart, Dot. And please, start thinking about your finances before it's too late. I hear young people say, "I'll start saving when I earn more." Rubbish. B. The time you realize you need money, you'll be broke. If you start saving just a tiny bit today, the magic of compound interest is the heavy lifting for you. Don't waste your cash on things you don't need just to impress people you don't like. Be smart. Same goes for your health. You think because you're young, you're invincible. But if you fill your body with junk and never move, your body will punish you later. A healthy body gives you the energy to chase those dreams. What is the point of being a millionaire if you're too sick to get out of bed? Health's the real wealth. When I was starting out, dreaming of building my global empire, people told me I was mad. They said, "Jack, you're just a poor teacher. Give it up." If I had listened to them, I would still be poor today. Your dream is yours. Nobody else has to understand it. People will laugh at you. They will doubt you. Let them. Let them. Because in the end, only the people who are crazy enough to believe they can change the world are the ones who actually do. Life is terrifyingly short, my friends. One day, you will be an old person sitting in a chair. Looking back, you will ask yourself, did I really live? Or did I just exist? The choices you make right now, today, determine the answer to that question. So, are you growing? Are you learning? Are you taking responsibility? Are you saving? Are you still dreaming? You don't have unlimited time. You might think, I'll work hard later. I'm only in my 20s, but you blink, and suddenly you're 40, wondering where the decades went. The perfect time to start never arrives. If you are waiting until you feel ready, you will be waiting until you are in the grave. Start now. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to start. Dreams without action are just fantasies. Wake up and do the work. Even a tiny step forward is better than standing still. There will be days you want to quit. There will be days when it feels impossible, but look at me. No money, no connections, just a belief. If I can do it, why can't you? Your life is your responsibility. Nobody is coming to save you. So, think about your life every single day, not once a year. Every single day. Because if you take care of today, your future will take care of itself. Never stop dreaming. And listen, if this sparked something in you, if you felt that fire in your chest, do not let it burn out. Heat that. Heat that subscribe button. Join us, and let's grow together. I'll see you in the next one. Your time is coming. Keep believing. Keep fighting. Don't just watch. Go out and prove them wrong. Thank you for being part of the journey. If you liked it, please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.